Hold onto your hats, AI enthusiasts. We're diving headfirst into a whirlwind of groundbreaking news that's reshaping the future of artificial intelligence. First up, Microsoft and OpenAI are forging a new path with a deal that could change everything, sending MSFT stock soaring. Then, we've got the inside scoop on Oracle's colossal $300 billion computing power pact with OpenAI that's putting India on the AI map. You won't want to miss this. Make sure you're subscribed and the notification bell is on. Microsoft stock surges on landmark OpenAI restructuring deal. Get ready for a seismic shift in the AI landscape. Microsoft's stock, MSFT, just jumped nearly 2% in after-hours trading, and the reason is monumental. A non-binding deal with OpenAI that's set to redefine their partnership. This agreement, long anticipated, paves the way for OpenAI to restructure as a for-profit entity, a critical move for attracting new investment and potentially going public. Previously operating under a capped profit model, OpenAI's new structure aims to unlock capital and accelerate AI development. Microsoft's massive investments, totaling over $11 billion, have always given them privileged access, but this new deal might see OpenAI broadening its cloud partnerships with giants like Oracle and Google. While details on exclusive access to cutting-edge tech and IP rights are still being ironed out, the core message is clear. Microsoft is doubling down on OpenAI integration. Analysts are bullish, with a strong buy consensus and significant upside potential for MSFT. The market is clearly signaling confidence in this evolving AI powerhouse. This restructuring is a huge win for Microsoft investors and a massive step for OpenAI's future growth. But this is just the beginning of our AI deep dive. Stick around, because the implications of these tech titans' moves are far-reaching. Next, we uncover how Oracle's massive deal is positioning India at the forefront of global computing power. OpenAI's for-profit leap, a new era with Microsoft. This is it, the deal that could fundamentally alter the trajectory of artificial intelligence. Microsoft and OpenAI have inked a non-binding agreement, paving the way for OpenAI to transform into a for-profit company. This isn't just a partnership tweak. It's a strategic pivot to fuel the AI revolution, especially the ChatGPT phenomenon. While the exact commercial terms are under wraps, the companies are working towards a definitive agreement. For OpenAI, this restructuring is crucial for raising capital under a more conventional governance model and preparing for a potential IPO. Microsoft's significant investments, including $1 billion in 2019 and $10 billion in early 2023, have cemented their role. But OpenAI is now diversifying its cloud infrastructure. They've signed massive contracts with Oracle and Google, signaling a move beyond Microsoft's exclusive Azure platform to secure the vast computing power needed for AI development. This diversification is key as OpenAI's revenue climbs into the billions. Meanwhile, Microsoft remains keen on continued access to OpenAI's groundbreaking technology, even as they develop their own AI models. Regulatory approvals from California and Delaware are pending, with a year-end target for completion, crucial for securing billions in funding. This complex dance between collaboration and competition is just heating up. Stay tuned as we explore another massive deal that's making waves. We're talking about Oracle's staggering $300 billion commitment that's putting India in the global AI spotlight. OpenAI's IPO ambitions, fueled by Microsoft's green light. Get ready for a major shakeup in the AI world. Microsoft and OpenAI have inked a preliminary agreement, a critical step that will allow the AI developer to transition into a commercial enterprise. This move signals a new chapter in their intense collaboration, though the finer points of the commercial agreements are still being finalized. For OpenAI, this restructuring is all about positioning themselves to raise capital under a more traditional corporate structure, with an eye on a potential initial public offering. Microsoft's substantial backing, including a $1 billion investment in 2019 and a massive $10 billion injection in early 2023, has been foundational. While Microsoft previously held exclusive rights to sell OpenAI's models through Azure and enjoyed preferential tech access, This exclusivity has recently been relaxed. OpenAI is now building its own infrastructure, including the ambitious Stargate data center project, backed by multi-billion-dollar contracts with Oracle and Google. This expansion is vital as OpenAI's revenue surges into the billions, requiring broader partnerships for capacity. Microsoft, in turn, is securing ongoing access to OpenAI's advanced technology. Interestingly, OpenAI's nonprofit arm is slated to receive over $100 billion, making it one of the world's most well-funded nonprofits. This evolution hasn't been without controversy, notably Elon Musk's lawsuit aiming to steer the company back to its original, humanity-focused mission. Regulatory approvals from California and Delaware are still pending, with a year-end deadline crucial for securing significant funding. These strategic maneuvers are setting the stage for unprecedented growth and competition. But what does this mean for global infrastructure? Next, we reveal how Oracle's colossal deal is catapulting India into the AI computing power race. Oracle's $300 billion AI power play positions India as a global hub. Prepare for a game-changer in the global AI race. OpenAI has reportedly signed a staggering $300 billion deal with Oracle to secure computing power over the next 5 years. This colossal agreement, which could supply OpenAI with roughly 4.5 gigawatts of capacity, enough to power millions of homes, underscores the massive infrastructure bets driving AI innovation. For Oracle, this deal is a major coup, significantly strengthening its position against cloud rivals like Microsoft, Amazon, and Google. Analysts are buzzing, viewing this as a pivotal moment that positions India as a central player in the quest for compute power and AI adoption. The abundance of top-tier engineering talent and cost-effective power corridors makes India the logical next step for capacity expansion. This move is expected to accelerate India's trajectory to become a leading market for advanced AI models. States like Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu are likely to compete fiercely to host these AI factories. The demand for AI infrastructure engineers and specialists in India will skyrocket, boosting AI-focused IT services. This deal represents a significant financial bet for OpenAI, especially considering its current annual revenue is around $10 billion. For Oracle, the impact has been electrifying, with its stock surging nearly 43% following the announcement, adding over $100 billion to Larry Ellison's net worth. Experts suggest this partnership offers OpenAI strategic flexibility, a conscious uncoupling from Microsoft's backend, mitigating risks of over-reliance as both companies pursue diverging market strategies. This massive infrastructure deal is reshaping the global tech landscape. But what does it all mean for the companies involved and the future of AI? We'll wrap it all up with a rapid-fire recap and your essential call to action, so don't go anywhere. And that's a wrap on today's AI explosion. We saw Microsoft and OpenAI strike a pivotal restructuring deal, sending MSFT stock soaring. Then, Oracle committed a massive $300 billion to OpenAI for computing power, putting India on the global AI map. Don't miss a single update, smash that like button, subscribe for more cutting-edge insights, ring that notification bell so you never miss a beat, drop a comment below with your thoughts, and follow us on all our social channels for more exclusive content. We'll see you in the next one.